What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing an Iron Man themed crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started by drawing the visor along the top of our page. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with a curve that goes up and then back down on the right side. And then we'll round out the side of the visor, starting back on the left, curve this out and then in. Let's connect the bottom with another curve, starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then pull that up on the right. Now I'm going to move to the top right side of the visor and round out the top of the head. Starting up here, I'm going to go up, round out the head, and then just pull that down along the side. And then we'll round out the body, going out, down, and then bending that in towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, come down, and then up, and go over towards the right side. We're going to leave a gap in between the feet. Now I'm going to move to the inside of the left leg, draw a straight line going up, and then round out the body going out and up towards the right. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. And then we'll add the backpack on the left side, starting from the top, go out, and then bend that down, come all the way down towards the bottom, go out, and then bend that up. And we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve, going out, and then in. Now that we have the basic shape of the body, we're going to go in and add some detail. Let's start on the left side of the visor, start with a curve that goes up, and then out. Just going to round out the top, and then pull that in. Come down with a short angled line, go across towards the right, angle up and out towards the right side of the head. Let's add an oval on the left side, starting from the top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a seam across the base of the head, starting on the left, and come down underneath the visor, and then bend that up on the right side. And then from the center of the visor, we're going to come all the way down and draw a circle. Starting from the top, go all the way around, and then back up. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Now from the side of that circle, we're just going to curve this out and then down. And on the right, go out towards the side of the body. Then on the left side, I'm just going to follow that same curve, going out and up towards the left. And then from the left side, we're going to step down, add another curve. Coming down, and then bending that up. Let's separate the legs. Starting on the left side, I'm just going to curve this down, and then up towards the body. Go over towards the right, draw that same curve. I'm going to step down and draw that same curve again. Let's add those jets coming out from the bottom of the feet. On the left side, we're going to step in, it's going to curve out, and then in, go to the inside, step in, go in the opposite direction. I'm just going to pull this in and then down towards the center point. So I'm going to round this out, and then come down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back and add a shadow across the top of the backpack, starting from the outside, curve up and then in. And we'll also add a shadow across the bottom of the visor, starting on the top left, curve down, go across, and then up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's our Iron Man crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.